Hey everyone, welcome to Technology Trends. Today, we're digging into Samsung One UI 8, the biggest software update yet, and I've been testing the beta firsthand to bring you the top new features and design upgrades you need to know. One UI 8 is Samsung's next major update, built on Android 16. It's already rolling out in beta for the Galaxy S25 series, with stable releases launching this summer on the Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and S25 family. Expect smoother transitions and fluid animations across the UI. The lock screen clock now dynamically wraps around your photos subject, a unique artistic effect. You can now use third-party widgets on the lock screen, offering personalization beyond Samsung's own. One UI 8 brings smarter, faster AI tools, context-aware suggestions and sidesteps the old AI Select delay. AI Select now works instantly, under 2 seconds to capture text, images, or video snippets. Galaxy AI expands, with better call assist, writing help, note summaries, and in-call translation. There's a great new 90-10 split screen feature, lets you tuck one app away while focusing on another. Improved split screen for gestures, plus now bar, brief updates for live call info, calendar, and music. Reminders and calendar share space, drag and drop reminders, use templates, and add via voice. My Files gets intuitive filters, so you can sort by app. Quick Share redesigned with Send, Receive tabs for smoother sharing. Redesigned secure folder, weather, Samsung Internet, and alarm widgets round out the tweaks. Advanced Android 16 security features like intrusion detection, USB, data protections, and 2G blocking are all in One UI 8. Knox integration and enhanced protection toggles make top-tier security easily accessible. One UI 8 isn't a radical redesign, it's a smart refinement. We're getting polished visuals, powerful AI features, enhanced multitasking, and industry-leading security. It's what One UI 7 should have been. Are you excited for One UI 8? Which feature stands out most to you? AI tools, split screen tweaking, or lock screen art? Drop a comment below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming hands-on videos with foldables and deeper dives.